So this is how we came out. We used glitter colors. I don't know if they're gonna show up on camera, but in person they show up. We're gonna put it closer to the camera. You not know if it was real. Do not know if that's the real color, but we can check because we chose that one for a reason. Because there's a sticker that goes with it. So we're going to use a sticker. We're going to use a sticker that goes with it. So it does not exactly look like it, but we tried our best, and that's all that matters. So, see you again for our next video. Bye!